Caught speeding. So you're driving a little too fast and a police officer stops you. Write code to compute the result. Encode it as an int value. 0 equals no ticket, 1 equals small ticket, and 2 equals big ticket. If speed is 60 or less, the result is 0. If speed is between 61 and 80 inclusive, the result is 1. If the speed is 81 or more, the result is 2. This only matters because we're using an int value, so like we're not really expecting 80.5 or anything like that. But so if speed wasn't always a integer value, then saying that 81 is the next condition might cause some errors, so maybe we'll just use 80. So the result will be 2. So unless it's your birthday, on that day your speed can be 5 higher in all cases. Okay, so it seems like this is birthday boolean statement might be, or this boolean might be of some use. So we can probably say that speed equals speed minus 5 if it is our birthday. So then if it's not our birthday, we can just ignore it. If it is our birthday, it said that your speed can be 5 higher in all cases, which means that for us to get a big ticket, we have to be 86 or more, or 85 or more, but not inclusive. And same for here, 65 to 85 inclusive. But since we're just going to use these numbers, just write them down for their respective conditions, we can just subtract from our speed so that we don't have to make the conditions new for for whether it is the person's birthday or it is not, if that makes sense. So here, so if, what do we have? Speed is 60 or less. Speed is 60 or less. Then return 0. Else if speed is between 61 and 80 inclusive. But since we're expecting integer values, it doesn't really matter. But if the input value is a float or something, or like something like 60.5, then we might face some errors. And then we can, but since it says 61 and 80 inclusive, we'll just ignore other parts that might cause error. I don't know, can we say else? Yes. So if else, basically meaning speed wasn't less than or equal to 60, and it also wasn't less than or equal to 80 or greater than 61 or equal. So that basically means greater than 80. So speed was greater than 80. Speed was greater than 80. So then we can return 2. But if it was his birthday, then even if his speed was 85, it would be 85 minus 5, so we have 80. So then we'll return 1. Okay, so that's basically how it's going to work.